Guys, you will not believe this. I did not catch a blueberry lizard, a fence lizard, but I just caught a crocodile lizard. Right there, boys and ladies and gentlemen. Crocodile lizard. I'm gonna catch him right now. I found him underneath that. I'm just gonna get him. Shoot, this guy, very strong. You're gonna have to be careful. 3, 2. This guy, it's gonna be feisty. Oh, this guy's gonna try to bite me. This guy's, oh shoot, he almost got me. He almost got me. Wait! 3, 2. 3, 2. Guys, tough to catch. I'm just gonna try to keep him on the camera only. I got him down. But I have to keep I gotta get his head down. I'm gonna use you guys. He's biting the phone, guys. He's literally biting the phone. Guys, I got him. I got a crocodile lizard. Oh my god. This guy. I just caught a crocodile lizard, guys. Crocodile lizard. EJ, send the reinforcements. There's crocodile lizards. You guys don't know how this rare. This is a crocodile lizard. Peace, guys. This is going on YouTube.